This administration, we have made this a point of duty that we will recognize our own while they are alive. We don't have to wait till any one of them pass on before we now praising their songs or bringing their legacy after they must have gone. And that effort was what led us to Pa T.A Fasuyi. When we interview Pa T.A Fasuyi, we realize that this is a man that the nation should celebrate, not an association. Because we realize that the journey of Baba Fasuyi transversed beyond Yoruba states, across, and he established many institutions in the area of art.
At everything I said, this man indeed is a great man. No doubt about that. And for him to have been among those who were there when the foundation of SNA was put in place, I think celebrating him in his lifetime is indeed a great event.
One of such is what you are seeing now. They gave it a different name, October Rain. It used to be Independence Exhibition back then. You know, on October, it was mandatory. You know, we would have it, and it was national. You know, but now state chapters are handling it, and so cross current. You know, it's a step further from what was started many years ago.
I heard about this Pa Fasuyi for a long period of time. A lot of artists have won his award, but currently people haven't met him. But this is an occasion for people, coming artists, to be able to meet with him and to be able to interact with him, to share out of his wealth of experience and to be able to impart to the upcoming generation what he has been able to do for this industry.
Here we are today at our usual October Rain celebration, and this year is one of a kind. The collaboration between Lagos chapter and Ogun State chapter. Here we think it's cross currents. And I believe as many of you that have been here today to see the beautiful work, different version of textile work, you know, painting, sculpture, wood, ceramics, and lots of it. So to tell you that artists have a story and it doesn't stop there.
Trying just to bring different state chapters together so that we can form a formidable team that will be able to project the SNA that has been born since 1963 to the world so that they can become a great team together. That is what Cross Current is about.
October Rain is the annual ritual of the Society of Nigerian Artists. Come together every October to hold the joint exhibition. And we are super excited to be hosting the exhibition this year, under 2 years of our existence. Coincidentally, this is also the exhibition is in honor of Pa T.A Fasuyi, who is my father. But it has there's no nexus between us hosting him and their decision to honor him, because they have chosen to honor him even before they started scouting for the venue of the exhibition. So it's a double joy for us that we are honoring him and he's been with us.
For me to come here today to see how the art world of Nigeria, all the artists and art association, different galleries and also museums collaborate with each other to demonstrate the talented Nigerian artists all around Nigeria can be put together at the exhibition here in Lagos. The deeply rooted way of life of Nigerian artists to reflect the real world of Nigerian people. the free spirit to express yourself, to demonstrate, and also to showcase. But most important, you need to have this kind of exhibition to put the artwork in front of the people, in front of the world. So it's a great honor for us to make our mission a little contribution to collaborate with the whole event, to make the event a bit more colorful and how our international society can be part of it. So thank you so much for this.
The theme of today is cross currents, and this has to do with both a generational collaboration as well as a collaboration from different walks of life in terms of concepts, thoughts, originality, creativity, as it were. And as you move around this exhibition grounds, I'm sure that you will see clearly that each individual artist has come with his own unique way of presenting a lot of what we all know about our worlds, about our environment, about our cultures, and this translates into things that we can all relate to when those who understand artwork actually translate it for us. So for me, I think it's a great honor and privilege to be here to join. So before I say much, I would just like to declare this exhibition open. Okay.